Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Sandhya Paswan, or in today's video I am going to talk about productivity and how you can be productive in your life. And so first we are going to talk about goals. If you haven't set your goals yet, so first make sure you set your goals, because it is all about your goals. First is a short term goals and the second one is long term goals. So now we are talking about how you can be productive. So before moving on video, first I wanted to you guys to please subscribe on my channel if you are new on my channel, and please make sure hit the bell icon as well. Or after watching this video, if you like this video, so please make sure you give a big thumbs up to this video. So now let's move into the video. So here the first thing I am going to talk about is reading. If you are a reader, it really help you to be productive in your life. According to some experiments, reading help you to be productive in your lives. So daily reading also increases your knowledge, and as well if you are reading English books, so it will also improve your English vocabularies, increases your knowledge in English. So you are going to do two things together here. So the first thing is about reading a books. So you can read novels, you can read books, you can also listen English podcasts, but it's not comes in reading, because it's something that you are actually listening, that you are not reading actually. So there are most of books you will get online, and you can also get PDFs. So I will recommend you here that library. You can easily get books PDF over there. Reading books really has changed me totally. I am actually seeing myself very different after lockdown. I don't know why, but things are really changed after lockdown for me. So reading really helps me, and yeah, it will help you too if you start. It really helps your brain to calm down and also get you enlightened through, and also make you knowledgeable to different cultures and different things. You get exposure to very different things if you are a reader. So yeah, the first thing is here is reading a books will really help you to be productive in your life. So the next thing here I am going to talk about to be productive in your life is making a to-do list. And making a to-do list really helps you to be productive in your life. So planning your day in morning will really makes you productive. Why? Because we daily wake up and we just do our chores and we just do whatever that we like to do, and that things actually not bringing us to our short-term goal or our long-term goals too. So planning your day after waking up is really help you. You can also use some apps. There are a lot of apps available in Play Store. You can easily download one for yourself, but I like to make my to-do list in my book. I have a sticky note, so I just make my to-do list in my sticky note and stick on my fridge or place where I can see easily, and it's really helped me for day to live organized. So the third thing here I'm going to talk about a learning new skill. So it can be anything. It can be like knitting, it can be like reading books, it can be like cooking, it can be like anything that you like, right? It can be learning a language, so it can be anything. So recently I'm doing a lot of cooking and it's really helped me. It also makes my mind peaceful. Cook for myself and for my family. So whatever my family wants me, I cook. Or yeah, recently I have also cooked jalebi, and it's a sweet dessert, and it turned out really well. So yeah, learning a new thing, learning a new skill also will help you to achieve productivity in your life. So the fourth thing here I am going to talk about to be productive in your life is doing a little exercise. So that thing I am talking to you, and if I talk about exercise, so it's not like doing a very vigorous exercise and just going to gym. You can do any exercise that suits you. You can do yoga, because if you are fit, so you can think fit. It's just my thing to think to be productive, because I feel that if your mind is fit, if your body is fit, your spirit and your mind is clear, so you think very clear. And if you think clear, so you can easily achieve in your life whatever that you want to. So doing exercise will really help you to clean your body and spirit and mind. It also helps to reduce toxins from your body. You can also drink a lot of water to clean toxins from your body, and also you can do yoga to heal your mind and body inside. and I like doing a little dance, a little walk after meal, so it helped me really well these days. And it's not it not make me feel bloated after eating or having a lot of junk. But still you have to be very careful related to your diet, because it affects on your mind as well as on your body and spirit. And if you are not healed from inside, then you can't do things properly. And if things are still, you can do better if you are internal good. So yeah, so exercise also help you here to be productive in your life. So the fifth thing that help you to be productive in your life is limiting your video or television watching timing, because that's the thing that actually get a lot of your time. So you have to be limit watching television, because if you're not limit watching television, so the half of day is just easily go watching TVs or television or watching videos on your phone, etc, etc. Even I don't recommend watching YouTube videos more than 1 or 2 hours, because I feel is that watching videos or television actually consumes a lot of time. And you know that we daily get 24 hours, and in 24 hours you just sleep for 8 hours, and after leftover time you do whatever that you feel so. And in that you make food for yourself, you eat food, and you go outside and you play and you watch videos. So you just misusing your hours. We are equals, and we all of get 24 hours a day, but still everyone is not successful in their life. So I feel if you wanted to be productive, you have to be limit the thing that actually consume more time. So I feel watching television is something that actually consume a lot of time without knowing us even. Teaching is something that give you joy from inside, and I feel like a teacher nowadays. I don't know why, because I feel myself that I have changed a lot, and that the thing actually I wanted to. And even I'm looking forward to do more knowledgeable videos on my channel, because I want to enlighten people with my knowledge. Whatever that I know, I want you guys to know. So the last thing you can do to be productive in your life is doing a new thing daily. It means inventing a new thing daily and discovering it, that how much good you are in it. So you can do anything that you haven't did before. Something like that you can learn a language, you can cook, you can watch a movie, you can do anything that you haven't did before. And I have created my Ikigai list. In Ikigai list I add these my new inventions in that book. Also it helped me to be productive, because I know that how much I good in new things, inventing new things or discovering new things. So it's really helping me to be productive in my life, and I hope these all points will help you too, guys. So guys, yeah, this is for today's video. And if you like this video, so please make sure you give a big fat thumbs up to this video. And if you want videos related to motivation and related book review or anything, you can comment below. I will do my next video on that topic. And please make sure you subscribe to my channel. So till then, bye bye, take care, sayonara.